I got 3 hours on the GoPro.
Good morning. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you, sir.
See, and these guys have the right idea about dress code. Why are we out here like sausages? Dash.
Not sure why we're racing.
Just bend your knees a little bit. Very much.
Oh, wow.
Sorry.
It's surreal that we're here every now and again, isn't it? It's like, oh.
Yeah. So, is it quite happening?
What's up, fellow? Happy holiday.
Thank you.
Yeah, just walking today.
Yes.
What's up? Just walking.
Let's see how much these fun horses. I think they're to ride the horses. No one's a rickshaw ride. I think I still on the phone. Now this is proper.
You can see it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Black doggy. He threw the ball for himself. And again. He keeps throwing the ball to himself. That's a very efficient doggy.
Yeah. How are your hands, okay?
Our hands are alright. Now it will be interesting if it snows tomorrow.
Yeah.
Christmas. When's the last time you had a white Christmas? Can't remember, can you? Last time I remember I had a white Christmas in 1988. And man, it was quite a white Christmas. Like a meter of snow. Buried my snowman down to his forehead. Whoop. His little head sticking out the snow. I was very upset. Sea froze that year too. Back in the day when it's cold. We'll see if there's any horses available. If not, let's just walk.
Yeah. The shoes are so much better.
Oh yeah. The shoes were
Stupid.
stupid.
This is what they were not fit for purpose.
For any purpose. Maybe summer. But why are you wearing such closed off shoes in summer? You know? Why?
They just keep the feet warm, that's all. They're okay when it's not snowing.
Or wet. Or slightly moist.
But no, they're alright.
Yeah.
They keep your feet dry and warm, but no good for icy weather.
And we can buy some soles for them and glue them on.
Yeah, you can do that. They sell them at home, but
Yeah. My dad says it's that we have unnecessary packaging material. So we are on our way back. We'll be lighter by 3 kg. So we're fine.
we just needed to make sure, didn't we?
Pardon?
We were just making sure.
Yeah, he says it's unnecessary. We have about 3-4 kgs. You know. I think there ain't any horses around here. Bend your knees.
Might be too cold for the horses.
I don't think so.
Very slippery here.
They were here last time, weren't they?
Yeah.
Or at the corner.
Sure.
Where's the Starbucks? No, they were here.
Yeah, just be careful. Alright? I don't want to go Rick too.
Pardon?
I don't want Victoria.
That's right.
Thank
How much for a horse ride?
$64.
Great. Where's the horse?
They come after like 45 minutes, an hour long.
Okay, when's the next ride?
Next ride is gonna be after like 45 minutes. So they're doing from here the short ride, which is a 20 minutes, $64.
All right. Is this a longer one?
If we're going to go for longer one, I can offer you the pedicab. It's all electric.
No, we want a horse.
The horses going only the 20.
And when we have to be back in 45 minutes.
Sorry?
When where?
Right here.
So where are the horses now? They're going out on the ride.
Yeah, they're on a 7 right now. They come out at 40 minutes.
Okay, so we'll be back in 40 minutes.